Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that PARCL token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, the PRCL ecosystem, which include PRCL, PRCL Labs and PRCL Limited, develops and governs the PRCL protocol, a decentralized exchange that allows users to get long or short exposure to real-world real estate prices via a decentralized exchange. PRCL primary intention is to create a liquid market around the largest asset class in the world by leveraging novel world-class real estate data from PRCL Labs. The PRCL token underpins the PRCL ecosystem, providing governance rights, access to PRCL Labs data analytics, and network incentives. PRCL project institution rating is 3.6. PRCL token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 412.28 million PRCL token. PRCL token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, OKX, Bybit, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.